All right, welcome back to Fast RC, everybody. So Black Friday's here. So like I said yesterday, if any new sales popped up, I would do like an emergency episode. So here we are. Let's go ahead and dive into it and not waste any time. There's a few vehicles that have popped up overnight as Doorbuster deals on a few of these sites. So we're going to cover those because, dude, some of these discounts are like crazy. Lowest prices we've seen ever, at least as far as I've been tracking. So first up here is the Losi Promoto Supermoto. This one has me really curious because $299 for this thing is like absolute rock bottom price we've ever seen on this vehicle. If you see here my 30-day, 90-day, 365-day, this is by far the lowest price I have in my database. And then looking at the graph here, and the reason why I bring up the tracker is because it's nice to see like the history of this vehicle, how at the beginning of the year started at 580, bumped up to 600 when we saw the price hikes in the middle of the year, and then came down to 550 the last few months, and then now like just a straight arrow down to $300 for a Doorbuster deal for Black Friday. That is over 40% discount. So for me and RC Weekly, we're probably going to put this on discontinued watch. Would not be shocked if this thing goes discontinued. Kind of curious thought about that. The only one that I'm actually like mildly or like think might be discontinued is this Supermoto variant, because this is not the first time this Supermoto has been on sale. So like, let me look at the other Supermoto with the battery and charger combo also took like a huge discount back in October, down to $450. So like I said, this is not the first time the Supermoto has seen a big discount like this. Although this is the biggest discount we've seen, 42%. So that kind of tells me is I think the Supermoto variant might be going away and be discontinued at some point. They're probably clearing out stock. So interesting thing, if you're looking to get a Supermoto, this is probably like the best time to pick one up, bar none. Next vehicle we need to talk about that's really hot. A couple people commented on my video from yesterday about this one. The Typhon Mega 665 is also on sale, and once again, you see the graph here, it just falls off a cliff down to $150. That's a hell of a deal for a Typhon, 4x4 Typhon 665. It's on multiple sites. I think there were some other sites that popped up yesterday that had this deal like way earlier. I didn't see this one till like after midnight where I'm at, West Coast. So that's why I didn't talk about it yesterday. But I appreciate you guys bringing it up in the comments, because doing some scouring, I ended up finding it. But nonetheless, this is also a massive discount. Probably, I don't know how well these are selling. I mean, I'm not in a hobby store, but it wouldn't shock me if these weren't selling too hot when you could just go step up and get like a brushless version, like a 223S. But nonetheless, $150, that's like dirt cheap and by far the lowest price we've ever seen on this vehicle. And then the other one I wanted to talk about here is the Infraction V3. So this one disappeared from Arrma Hobbies back in September. But the reason why I have this graph up is because you can see this thing was like $400 from Arrma. Pretty solid. But if we go over to Tower Hobbies, they actually have it still for sale, and it's on a Doorbuster deal for $125 off, down to $275, which is pretty good. Like, I was kind of shocked. I saw that. I was like, wow, that's like a hell of a deal for an Infraction. So pretty good stuff there. I just wanted to show you those graphs real quick. They did have an SEX10 Pro kit for $250, which immediately sold out within a couple hours from when I saw it. Here's that Typhon Mega. This is Tower Hobbies we're looking at. A lot of these, like the Typhon, are going to be on sale at Tower Hobbies, Horizon Hobbies. It's also here at Horizon, along with the Supermoto and the Helomon we talked about yesterday. Also, the regular Promoto is on sale too. And then also that Typhon is on sale here at Arrma. But the one thing I want to tell you guys about Arrma is you can also, this Typhon has no coupon code restriction except for the 10% off. But you can use like the November code, or I use this one, this TRH1025, which knocks off another $15. So basically the Typhon's like almost half off, like down to $135, which is just crazy deal. So I want to show you guys that you can actually use the coupon codes on some of these. I tried I think the Helomon and the Supermoto, you can also use this code and knock off like 15 or $30 or something like that. So check it out, like before you go, like if you're gonna jump on one of these deals, especially from like Arrma, try out some of their coupon codes, because you might actually save a little bit of money on like taxes or something. But yeah, some crazy deals. I think probably some comments I'll get on some of these models is it's kind of like all the unpopular models, at least is what it seems like. Like, I'm sure this Typhon 665 hasn't sold a lot. Seems like the Supermoto, same thing, hasn't really sold a ton either. And then, you know, this other one, this Infraction 3S, this thing literally disappeared from A-Main months ago. So it might be like discontinued and they're just clearing out stock. That's kind of the vibe I get. So, but hey, you know, it's kind of like a discontinued clearance sale type deal for Black Friday. One other screen I wanted to talk to you guys about is I wanted to go take a look at the current sales real quick, just to show you guys. So this is on my dashboard, fastrc.net, and in the Losi section, so the Super Promoto, the Supermoto, 45% off, down to $299. My rule of thumb: anything that goes 30% or more looks to be at risk of being discontinued. So definitely the Promoto falls in that bucket. Doesn't mean it is discontinued, just means that there's a good chance that it actually goes away. The next one, we got the Team Losi Racing 22X4 Elite. I believe, so this one's 31% off. I can't remember. This might be the older model. I'll have to look that up. But still 30% off for a buggy racing kit. Pretty good. And then you can see here the other Promotos, the non-Supermoto versions, are 27% off, down to $399. That's a pretty good deal. So yeah, and then there's some other stuff. The Laser Nap talked about yesterday. The LMT limited edition truck kit. I thought that was discontinued. There's some stuff in here. So like this TLR tuned LMT, the Bog Hog, and the King Sling, I believe, are all being discontinued. So it makes sense. All this stuff is on Black Friday deal. So yeah, just wanted to highlight that real quick. And let's take a look at Arrma also. You can see here the Typhon Mega 665 is 42% off. I mean, you got to put those on Discontinued watch too, honestly. Like, to see a massive price decrease like that, and these things aren't even a year old. Like, I remember doing the video about these first, like, back in March, so they're not even a year old yet, and they're already like almost half off. And then here they got a couple other sales too. The Big Rock 6S is out there on sale, 23% off. I could have swore that one was discontinued too, but maybe I missed it. And then the Vortex 2-wheel drive Mega 550. I know for sure this one's discontinued and was on clearance sale for like ever. And then another discontinued model, TLR tuned, the pink and purple roller, 21% off. This guy a few months ago was down to $299. So I think at A-Main they probably still have stock, so it never went away. But on Horizon Hobbies, that one was showing the discontinued label on it, and they did like a clearance sale on it down to $299, which is like a screaming deal. Same thing with this TLR tuned model. Like, if you want to go check this one out, so like let's just take a look. Typhon. So right here, the TLR tuned Typhon. You should be able to apply the same deals because there's no coupon code restriction on this. So like, if you wanted to pick this guy up being a roller, same thing. Like, you can add it to your cart, and if I just remove this 665, same thing, you can apply a coupon code to it. This one, wow, that's crazy. That's a 10%. Holy smokes, $37 off. That's a really good code. This TRH 1025, $37 off of this Typhon roller kit. Nice. All right. I'm not gonna take up too much of your time, guys. I just wanted to show you, like, it's like discontinued models galore out there for sale, and stuff that looks to be going away. So if you want to scoop any of that up, like I said, remember to check coupon codes. A-Main is like really big about the coupon code thing, but also too, Horizon Hobby, sometimes you can find some codes for them and pick up some of their stuff at discounts as well. So I hope you guys got something out of this episode. I know it's like a quick impromptu emergency Doorbuster sale episode, but let me know if you guys picking something up. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are getting, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care, guys.